Yo, what is up, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's having a good day. I'm here trying to get a little workout in, which I will do another video, which I will be doing on a video on that as well. So go ahead and if you guys want to check out my workout routine, whatnot, check out that video. But today, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we got going on today. Let's see here. We got some avocados. We got some cilantro. We got a lot of lemons, plenty of lemons. Some radish, cucumber. Well, the bananas are not included in that. That's for something else. More lemons. Some tomatoes. More lemons. Some onions. Oh! We're gonna make shrimp cocktail. All right. We got all the stuff here we need to go. Besides the chile, which we'll add that a little later after I clear out this table a little bit. So, let's add one of these things at a time. First things we're gonna go ahead and add, we're gonna add these lemons to these shrimp to cure them out and cook them. So, let's get right into that. All right. While we go ahead and let that cook down, add a little ice to the top so that way you can keep your temp. You don't want to let your shrimp get too warm because that's when your bacteria starts to form, whatnot, when it starts to get to a lower temperature. So add a little ice on top and just let that sit on top. I didn't stir it or nothing. I still have them soaking in the lemon juice in the bottom so that way they can cure out. But I just added the ice on top so that way they keep them to temp. And then let's go ahead and chop these condiments up here. We got the cilantro, we got the cucumber, we got the radishes. Gonna add some onion to that. We have extra lemon just in case. So let's get right into these radishes. All right, we'll let them chill in really long enough. Give them a stir. That's what we're doing. Oh yeah, we're looking nice. Get that ice in there nice and mixed up. Just fill the cider here. Make sure it's still cold. Yep, cold. Good to go. Got a little stir. And just keeping everything out. Just like that. Keep adding them radish bits up. And we got the cucumber done, we got the cilantro done, we got radishes done. Now we got to get to them onions. So we'll let these sit just a little longer. So again, a good stir. Get the ones from the bottom to the top, the ones from the top to the bottom. Even everything out. Just like that. Good to go. And just to taste the tartness of it. Oh yeah, it's pretty sour. That's what you want right there. You want it to be pretty sour. So, let's go ahead and wait just a little bit longer and let's get to these onions right here. I'm gonna cry. Whew. Thought I was gonna cry for a minute there. That's a lot of onion. All right. Welcome back. Got the tomato chopped up. Last thing to do is avocado, so we will leave those for last. That's pretty much easy. All the hard parts, especially that right there. And got ourselves 2 botellas of Clamato Original. Yes, sir. Nice and chilled. Just put those out of the freezer too. I might take a drink out of that. And we got ourselves some Valentina. Yes, I know usually we use Tabasco, but I like it with Valentina. It's a little bit more thicker, not as big and rubbery, with a little bit more sauce in that. All right. So now we're starting to get a little redness on them, just slightly on the outsides. I'm seeing in the lime juice, so let's go ahead and add in that straight into that. All right there should about right. Close up that cap. Give it a stir. Again, this is just part of that curing process that I like to do. Everybody has their own way of doing it. I just have my own way of doing it. I like to put this one down. Maybe just a hint more. I like mine a little on the spicy side anyways. That sounds about right. If anything, those are probably like 6 tablespoons in total. So this good size pot, I don't know what size pot it is, probably like an 8-quart or something. Alright. Just ready to even out. Make sure all the goodies are sitting in the bottom there. Try to get them down. All the way around. That looks scrumptious. Alright. So, let's get the rest of this going on. Alright, everybody. We got these shrimps. Oh, yeah, those are cooked already. Huh? Those are ready. So, let's get that clamato out of the freezer. Let's add all this stuff into it. What do you guys say? What? Wow. So after 1.25 bottle clamato, oh, can I get that away? We're gonna look at that right now. About, like you guys saw, I added in the beginning of the curing process, probably what, 6 tablespoons of this. Look at how chunky that is. What? Look at that. Yeah. That's what you want right there. Look at those tomatoes. Let's get right into those avocados. Look at those beautiful avocados. Shrimps perfectly cured. That's what you want right there. Nice and chunkiness right there. And it ain't complete. It's not going to be complete, ladies and gentlemen. Estrellas Jalisco. Pepino lime michelada. Woohoo, boy. You know, they are not sponsoring me or nothing like that, so, but big shout outs to them. They'll get upset for me using your products, obviously. So, let's go right into that. Ooh, yeah, look at it. Ooh. You know that's going to be nice. And it's perfectly cold, too. Let's get a good pour of that in there. It's all frozen, too. It's slushified. Perfect. Let's put that off to the side. Give this another stir. Again, it's just for the flavoring. Not enough to mess you up or nothing. Just for the flavoring. That's all you want. Super chunk with avocado in there. Look at all those avocados. They literally just floating on the top, most of them, but they're all in there. Oh. Let's get this close up of those shrimps. Yes, sir. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Can't go wrong with that. And then we do got ourselves some premium unsalted crackers. Some more Valentina, the whole bottle. Extra cilantro if I like it on the side. But other than that, yes, sir. How about we give ourselves a little stir here and we get into a serving of a nice cup so you guys can see how chunky that is. All right, everybody. Welcome back. Let's get right into this cup here. See how, oh, super chunky, everybody. Wow. Full of flavor. Mmm. That beer just pops up right in the back of it. Mmm. Yes, sir. If you guys want to make a nice shrimp cocktail for you guys selves, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Super easy, super fun to do. I like the way it came out, full of flavor. Definitely gonna go in for seconds. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can see future videos just like here. Until next time, everybody, enjoy. Saludos. Peace.